Hello and welcome to Health Professional Radio. I'm your host, Neil Howard. Thank you so much for joining us for another segment. In this segment, we're going to be having a conversation with Dr. Melissa Barnett. She's an optometrist and internationally recognized key opinion leader, joining us to discuss the recent availability of VUITY. It's the first and only FDA-approved prescription eye drop to treat presbyopia. It's an age-related blurry near vision in adults. Welcome to Health Professional Radio, Dr. Barnett. Thank you for taking the time.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here.
Was optometry your first love in medicine?
Well, I always wore glasses and contact lenses as a child. And yes, I think that eye care is really the best place to be because we can significantly change and improve the lives of many people that we see on a day-to-day basis. It's pretty incredible. Now,
I mentioned that we were going to talk about an FDA-approved prescription eye drop to treat presbyopia.
It is the gradual inability to see things up close and also mid-range distances too, like computer distances. It's a normal part of aging that reduces the eye's ability to focus and affects most people around the age of 40. And presbyopia is actually a really common condition. So 128 million Americans, half of the U.S. adult population, and more than 1.8 billion people worldwide are affected.
So what are the most common signs that a patient may have this condition?
Sure. Someone can experience blurry vision for computer distances, reading, might need to hold reading material further away, might be squinting, need additional light for reading, and experience eye strain or headaches after reading or at the end of the day. These are all things that can occur with presbyopia.
Does this condition have a history of being misdiagnosed?
Well, presbyopia is actually very common, so not typically, but it can be very scary. Some of my patients, they wake up one morning and then they can't see their phone anymore, so they get very frightened by it, but it actually is a normal age-related condition.
You say it affects people around about 40. Are there instances of people being affected earlier?
Oh, yes. In this age of digital device use and being on screens and multiple digital devices, we can even see people in their 30s developing presbyopia. People who are farsighted and that is not diagnosed tend to be diagnosed earlier with presbyopia. And so it is very, very common. So yes, people even younger than age 40 can have presbyopia.
Now, VUITY is the first and only FDA-approved prescription for presbyopia. Can you tell us how this product works?
Yes, you are correct that VUITY is the first FDA-approved eye drop indicated for presbyopia. It contains a novel re-engineered formulation of the miotic, which constricts the pupil, pilocarpine. So it is a prescription eye drop used once in the morning that helps improve intermediate or mid-range vision and near vision without affecting distance vision for people with presbyopia. So it has a dual mechanism of action. It actually constricts the iris sphincter, so the colored part of the eye, to achieve that optimal pupil size range, which helps increase the depth of focus without affecting distance vision. And it can be used in all sorts of different lighting conditions because we're in multiple lighting conditions throughout the day. There are no serious adverse effects with VUITY eye drops. The most common adverse events were headaches and eye redness in less than 5% of the study population.
Is it indicated for any age group that's affected with this condition?
Yes, so VUITY is indicated for any age group. So those with mild to moderate presbyopia would be the best candidates. So those who are a bit on the younger side of presbyopia, but there was a recent publication that showed us that mild to moderate could really be at any age. So we can have someone who's 85 years old who's a mild presbyope or someone who's 40 years old who's a mild presbyope. So I would encourage all of you listening out there to talk to your eye doctor, your optometrist or ophthalmologist, and see if you're a right candidate for VUITY drops.
How long does it take VUITY to, take effect? How soon should a person see improved vision?
Yes, VUITY can actually work within 15 minutes, so it can be very, very, very fast, and it can last about 6 to 8 hours. So using the drops once in the morning, it works very, very quickly.
Is it readily available as far as insurance, things of that nature? Is this something that, obviously, it can't be purchased over the counter?
You are correct. Viewity is a prescription eye drop that is readily available at all pharmacies across the U.S., and it is very important to have a comprehensive dilated eye examination prior to your doctor prescribing Viewity, but it is readily available all over. Now, in other countries, not quite yet, but they're very excited to get it someday soon.
With such improved vision so quickly, could this be considered a replacement for someone's reading glasses?
So Viewity is not a replacement for reading glasses because the eye drop wears off over time. But it can be used to manage presbyopia for a period of time, say throughout the day. And once the eye drops wear off, other options can be used to manage presbyopia, like glasses or contact lenses.
Well, give us a website where we can learn more.
Sure. For product information, visit www.viewitycom. That's VUITY. And talk to your eye doctor about Viewity to see if it's a good option for you.
Right. Well, doctor, is there anything that you'd like to add?
I would like to add that Viewity is an alternative and really innovative way to treat presbyopia. This is a game changer for us as eye doctors. We are so incredibly excited about it. So we have multiple options to treat presbyopia. These options are different types of glasses and contact lenses and surgical procedures like LASIK. And Viewity is the first FDA-approved product to treat presbyopia, and it's been so much fun. And my patients have been so incredibly happy and grateful to have this new opportunity.
Thank you so much for joining us here on Health Professional Radio. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. Hopefully we'll have an opportunity to speak again.
Well, Neil, thank you so much. This was so much fun. Have a great day.
You as well. You've been listening to Health Professional Radio. I'm your host, Neil Howard, in conversation with Dr. Melissa Barnett. Audio copies of this program are available at hpr.fm and healthprofessionalradio.com.au. You can also subscribe to the podcast on iTunes. Listen in, download it, SoundCloud, and be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com, Health Professional Radio.